Hi artists, start by drawing the head. The body of Baby Nabnab resembles a cactus plant, so sketch it with a cactus-like shape. The hands should also look like small, tender cactus shoots. Baby Nabnab is wearing a diaper, so let's draw it. The character has two small, cactus-shaped legs. Now, complete the drawing by adding the second hand, making sure there are two hands in total. Lastly, Baby Nabnab is wearing a tilted birthday hat with spiral designs on it. Baby Nabnab has three very scary eyes, so I am using a 360-degree protractor to draw them. Inside each eye, you need to draw a smaller circle. However, do not complete the circle fully. Instead, leave a small gap, creating an arc, and join the points. Then, color it black. I have done the same. Follow along. Baby Nabnab is a fan-made character, just like Baby Banban. I previously drew Baby Banban in my last video. If you want the link, I will provide it at the end of this video. Please do check it out. Now, let's draw the oval-shaped mouth, which has two tiny sharp teeth and a pointed tongue. Next, we will start coloring the party hat. First, use a cool gray shade, followed by a deeper dark gray. Moving on to the mouth, the inner part should be colored dark gray. You can also use black. For Baby Nabnab's tongue, I used vivid red. By the way, I completely forgot to press the record button, so I missed some parts, especially the coloring process. For the body, I used cobalt blue for both the body and legs of Baby Nabnab. Fans are highly obsessed with the Garten of Banban series, so they wanted to create a juvenile version of Nabnab and Banban. For the diaper, I used dark cool gray for shading, while the rest of the body, including the hat, follows the same color scheme. Finally, I outlined Baby Nabnab with a black sketch pen to make the image bolder and more prominent. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below to share your thoughts. The drawing is now complete. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.